Why security policies and procedures matter. For more cybersecurity tips and advice, don't forget to like and subscribe. Creating and implementing effective security policies and procedures is essential for safeguarding your organization's sensitive data and assets. In this blog post, we will explore the importance of security policies and procedures, key elements to include, and best practices for their development and maintenance. Security policies and procedures serve as the foundation of any robust cybersecurity program. They provide a structured framework for identifying, mitigating, and responding to security threats and vulnerabilities. Here's why they matter. 1. Risk mitigation. Security policies and procedures help identify potential risks and vulnerabilities within an organization. By addressing these risks proactively, you can reduce the likelihood of security incidents. 2. Compliance. Many industries and regions have specific regulatory requirements for data security. Security policies and procedures help organizations stay compliant with these regulations. 3. Consistency. They ensure that security measures are consistently applied across the organization, reducing the chances of lapses or oversights. 4. Incident response. Having well-defined procedures in place enables organizations to respond quickly and effectively to security incidents, minimizing damage and downtime. Key elements of security policies and procedures. 1. Access control. Define who has access to what resources and under what circumstances. Implement user authentication, authorization, and password policies. 2. Data classification. Categorize data based on its sensitivity, and establish guidelines for handling each category. Ensure data encryption for sensitive information. 3. Incident response. Develop a detailed incident response plan that outlines steps to take when a security incident occurs, including reporting, containment, and recovery procedures. 4. Network security. Establish rules for network segmentation, firewall configurations, and intrusion detection prevention systems. 5. Physical security. Address physical security concerns such as access control to facilities, visitor management, and protection of hardware. 6. Security awareness training. Educate employees about security best practices, including how to recognize and report phishing attempts and other social engineering tactics. 7. Vendor and third-party management. Establish guidelines for evaluating and monitoring the security practices of third-party vendors and contractors. 8. Backup and recovery. Implement regular data backups and establish procedures for data recovery in case of data loss or system failure. Why security policies and procedures matter. Best practices for developing and maintaining security policies and procedures. 1. Involve stakeholders. Engage key stakeholders from various departments to ensure policies and procedures are comprehensive and aligned with organizational goals. 2. Regular updates. Security threats evolve constantly. Regularly review and update policies and procedures to address new threats and technologies. 3. Clear language. Use plain language that is easily understood by all employees. Avoid jargon and technical terms when possible. 5. Training and awareness. Provide training sessions and awareness programs to ensure employees understand and adhere to security policies and procedures. 6. Testing and drills. Conduct security drills and simulations to test the effectiveness of incident response procedures. 7. Documentation. Maintain detailed records of security incidents, policy changes, and training sessions. 8. Continuous improvement. Continuously assess the effectiveness of your security policies and procedures and make adjustments as needed. To sum up, security policies and procedures are critical for protecting your organization from security threats. By developing comprehensive and regularly updated policies and procedures, and by fostering a culture of security awareness, you can significantly enhance your organization's cybersecurity posture. Remember that security is an ongoing process, and staying vigilant is key to success. For more cybersecurity tips and advice, don't forget to like and subscribe.